Do you want to create really high-quality AI videos for free? In this video, we'll take a look at Haiper AI, a video generator with text-to-video and image-to-video capabilities that is transforming content creation. I have tested every single major AI video creator out there, and we think that, without a doubt, this is the best free option available on the market. Haiper AI is a powerful perceptual foundation, model-driven AI designed for a new path towards AGI. It's not only building a proprietary model that very few in the space have been able to accomplish, but also growing, evolving, and aligning with the creator community at its center. As a content creator, you can leverage this AI to create entertaining videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms. This AI tool can help you save both time and money by automating the video creation process. Also, it can help you create videos that are more likely to be watched, shared, and liked. This is Haiper AI. Currently, all features of this website are entirely free. We have a few options that we can explore here. First, there is the option to create videos with text, which does a great job. You also have the option to animate your image. This is the way to go if you want to animate multiple images that you already have so you can keep consistent characters or style. There is also the option to repaint the video. I don't use this one that much, but it allows you to change something in a video. And there is the option to extend the video, which is not ready yet. Down here, you can see some videos that were created by other users. Some of them are great. I really liked this one with a panda. Let's make a variation of this one. But before continuing, please like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and allows me to create more content like this. Now, let's copy the prompt they used to generate this video, then go all the way up and click on Create Video with Text. A text box will show up at the bottom. Let's paste the prompt there, and then just change the word panda to lion. We also have to change the duration from 2 seconds to 4 seconds. We have the option to set it to private, but I'll keep it as public. Then, just click on Create and wait for it to generate. The video is ready. It seems like the lion is going backwards, but you can generate it again and tell it to go forward, or just edit the video and reverse it. I also generated other videos, like Spider-Man in a bathtub full of melted cheese, a glass sphere containing a tiger, Iron Man fighting Hulk in a Zen garden, a cute dragon made of fire, and a cat that is also part mermaid. It's really fun to make all these videos, and they are completely free to make. Remember, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Now let's continue with the image-to-video functionality. For this, we must click on Creation Mode and then Animate your image. Let's head to Leonardo AI. Here you could create your image based on a prompt, but to make it fast, I'll just pick one from the trending creations. Let's just search for one. I liked this one, of a warrior. Let's download it and upload it in the image section. Now write in the prompt what you want your image to do. Don't forget to increase the animation duration and click on Generate. It takes a few minutes. Let's play it. It's great for creating animated videos of historical events or any other kind of animated video. Now, a great option to monetize this kind of content is to join the TikTok Creativity Program. If you want to know how to join it, watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing videos on some fantastic niches. Don't miss out on that. Thank you for watching.